The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations are a comprehensive list of guidelines and specifications governing the operation and maintenance of commercial vehicles. Every company operating a commercial motor vehicle is required to be knowledgeable of and comply with all the provisions of the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations applicable to that company's operations. Every driver and employee must be instructed regarding compliance. Equipment and accessories required by the regulations must be maintained in compliance with all applicable performance and design criteria found in these regulations. No person may aid, abet, encourage, or require a motor carrier or its drivers to violate any safety regulation. A trucking company can be held liable for any injury resulting from its violation of an applicable provision of these regulations. These cases are not like your run-of-the-mill auto accidents, and we must comb through the facts with our investigators and experts to see which rules were broken. Call us today to discuss your case. Like, subscribe, and call us if you're injured, 843-839-4111.